Good morning, dear children. Today we see the exercise of chapter 6, pronouns. So you can see the exercise here, exercise 1. In this exercise, you have to underline the personal pronoun and you have to say for what form it stands. And here, underline the personal pronoun. You have to underline the personal pronoun in the following sentences and say what for each stands. For what these personal pronouns refers to. So here in first sentence, the boy stood on the burning deck whence all but he had fled. So here in this sentence, he is your personal pronoun and it stands for the subject boy. Here the subject is boy and personal pronoun is he. It refers to the subject boy. Second example, second sentence, no mate, no comrade, Lucy knew. She dwelt on a wild moon. So here in this sentence, he is your personal pronoun and it refers to the subject Lucy. Here Lucy is the subject. Third sentence, oh Alice Brand, my native land is lost for love of you. So here in this sentence, you is the personal pronoun and it stands for the subject O Alice Brand. Your O Alice Brand is the subject of the sentence and you is the personal pronoun and it refers to the subject Alice Brand. Fourth sentence, awake my little boy, thou wast thy mother's only joy. So here thou is you. The meaning of thou is you. Thou is your personal pronoun here and it refers to the subject boy. Boy is here subject. In fifth sentence, behold her single in the field, young solitary highland blacks. So here, behold her. Her is personal pronoun. It is imperative sentence, and that fourth sentence is also imperative. The last one in this sentence, her is the personal pronoun, and single young solitary highland lass. Lass is the subject. Because meaning of lass is girl. She is girl, lass is girl, here young girl. So she is the subject and here her stands for that subject lass. Here students, your exercise 2. In this exercise, fill in the blanks with the correct possessive pronouns. In each sentences, blanks are here and you have to fill these blanks with a possessive pronoun, correct possessive pronoun. So your first sentence, I gave her my phone number and she gave me hers. She gave me hers. This is the possessive pronoun hers. She gave me hers. So hers for she. She gave me hers. Second number, I gave him my phone number and he gave me his. He gave me his. Third number, he gave her his phone number and she gave him hers. She gave him hers. Next number 4, they gave us their phone number and we gave them ours. We gave them ours. We gave them ours. Fifth sentence, she gave him her phone number and he gave her his. His. Sixth sentence, he gave me his phone number and I gave him mine. I gave him mine. So mine is the possessive pronoun here. Seventh number, we gave them our phone number and they gave us theirs. They gave us theirs. So theirs the possession of they. Eighth number, you gave him your phone number and he gave you his. He gave you his. So he is the possessive pronoun here for he. Ninth, she gave you her phone number and you gave her yours. Yours the possessive of you. Last sentence, they gave me their phone number and I gave them mine. I gave them mine. So mine is the possessive of I. One more thing you have to keep in mind. Don't put apostrophe here just before the s, because this is the possessive pronoun, not possessive adjective. Dear students, it's your third exercise of pronoun chapter. In this exercise, you have to underline the emphasizing and reflexive pronoun. It means you have to find out the emphasizing and reflexive pronoun and write E for emphasizing pronoun and R for reflexive pronoun. So, which is reflexive pronoun and which is emphasizing pronoun, you have to find out in these sentences. So first of all, we take first sentence. I will do it myself. So I will do it myself. So in last video lecture I told you what is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun comes as the object of verb and it refers as the subject of the sentence. So in this sentence, I will do it myself. Here, do is the verb and myself is object of the verb and it refers to the subject I. So here myself, this is the reflexive pronoun and second sentence, he hurt himself. It is also the object of verb. So this is also reflexive pronoun. Third number, I posted the letter myself. Posted, here verb and myself, this is the reflexive pronoun, that is object of a verb. So it is reflexive. Fourth sentence, the governor himself gave the prize. So the governor himself gave the prize. It is emphasizing pronoun, not reflexive pronoun. Governor himself, because it emphasizes on subject, the governor. So this is the emphasizing pronoun. So E is here for emphasizing. I blame myself for it. I blame. So here myself is the object of the verb blame. So this is also reflexive pronoun. Sixth sentence, I shut the gate myself. So gate I shut. Shut is here verb and myself is the object of verb. So this is also reflexive pronoun. In seventh sentence, the boys have hid themselves. The boys hid. Hid is here the verb and themselves, that is the object of the verb. So that's why it is reflexive pronoun. Eighth number, pray, do not inconvenience yourself. Do not inconvenience yourself. So this is also the object of verb. So it is also reflexive pronoun. You may hurt yourself. You may hurt yourself. So this is also the object of verb. So it is also reflexive pronoun, not emphasizing pronoun. Tenth number, C poisoned herself. Poison the verb here and that is the object of verb. So it is also reflexive pronoun. He set himself a hard task. He set himself. So set is here verb and himself the object of the verb. So it is also reflexive, not emphasizing. we seldom see ourselves as others see us. So we seldom see ourselves. See is the verb and ourselves is the object of a verb. So it is also reflexive, not emphasizing pronoun.